A city in Kentucky has gone 3 days without fully running water because of a leak in its pipes. Residents in Corinth tell news outlets they started noticing their water had low pressure Friday, and that it was completely gone Saturday morning. City officials tell WCPO-TV crews had not found the leak Monday night. The city's water manager tells WKRC-TV crews have been trying to find the leak since Saturday morning, and there are 945 gallons, 3,580 liters, spilling a minute. Magistrate Jacqalynn said Sunday afternoon the search has been narrowed to an area surrounding the road. The city's water district has been able to turn lines on, so most among its roughly 200 residents will have at least a trickle. They are asked to boil water before consuming.